Let's take a bath. Ang ki say sing ku. Let's take a bath. Ang ki say sing ku. Bathroom. Say kung. Bathtub. Ekpun. Play with bubbles. Sing poi. Play with the bubbles. Sing poi. Use warm water. Yong'e shol zui. Use warm water. Yong'e shol zui. Wash your hands. Say li chu. Say li chu. Wash your face. Say li bing. Say li bing. Wash your head. Say li tao. Wash your head. Say li tao. Hair. Tao mung. Ears. Hia. Forehead. Koktao or takahao. Nose. Pia. Cheeks. Cheekpue. Chin. Etao or ehai. Neck. Amguna or amgun. Back. Kachapia. Shoulders. Gingatao. Wash your arms. Say li chu good. Say li chu good. Stomach. Bato. Stomach. Bato. Bottom. Katsung. Legs. Ka. Feet. Ka or kapya. Don't forget your knees. Umho bekechit katau. Umho bekechit katau. Use soap. Yong sapun. Yong sapun. Now we are all clean. Jima dong chinki. Jima dong chinki.